Hi friends, today we're going to be making 3 high-protein vegetarian snacks. What's up? Welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. I'm Miranda, a professional dancer nutrition coach, and I'm super excited today to be sharing these 3 really easy high-protein vegetarian snacks. I literally make them in 5 minutes each, and I cannot recommend you more to try them out. Keep watching the video for the process of these recipes. Welcome to my kitchen. This first snack is a savory one. We'll start by sauteing half an onion. We'll add some spices, in this case chili flakes and paprika, and we'll keep sauteing until brown. Once it's gotten some color, we'll add a can of rinsed black beans. Transfer the beans in a bowl. And gently mash until it's a paste-like consistency. On 2 slices of your choice of bread, spread the bean paste. I sliced some tomatoes earlier and will add on top for its freshness. To finish, add a drizzle of olive oil, some pepper, and that's it, a delicious bean snack. For this next snack, we'll be making deviled eggs. First things first, boil and peel the eggs. Once cooled, cut them in half. Carefully spoon the egg yolk out of the white into a bowl. Mix the egg yolks with a tablespoon of Tahin, a tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and some pepper. With a fork, mash until combined. I almost forgot. A couple of tablespoons of yogurt, such a great source of protein apart from the eggs. Once the mixture is incorporated, add back into the egg whites. Sprinkle some paprika for garnish. Check this out. They're so cute looking and such a perfect midday snack. This next snack is an inspiration from PickUpLimes, a great channel with amazing vegan recipes. For the sweet lovers, this one's for you. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I like it crunchy. 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And mix until nicely incorporated. And to finish up, add to the mixture the lemon zest of half a lemon. Enjoy by itself or make a yogurt parfait. In this case, I'll be using my everyday granola, linked above. I added some blackberry compote for garnish. And just like that, we have 3 amazing high-protein vegetarian snacks. I hope you guys enjoyed the process. Yeah, just try them out and let me know if you do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out other videos that I have in the channel. Have a good one. Ciao.